Hello guys, hello family, you are welcome to Starling Family TV. Today video we are going to prepare owo, our normal Naija food. Let's visit Nigeria, Edo State. So we have our yam, we have meluza fish, Titus fish, we have dried chicken, tomatoes, red pepper, and also moti tomatoes, and we have crayfish, we have maggi, we have our pepper, salt, everything is here. So as you can see, these the things that we are going to be using. So let's get started, guys. So we are going to blend. I'll blend it behind the camera, guys. So we have put our chicken. We are putting our maggi now. Chicken maggi, 1 cube. We added onions, a little bit of salt. We added a little bit of water, as you can see. We are going to use onions for this our recipe. So that's why you see onions inside. It's cooking, guys. We are blending it now. So now we are putting the blended tomatoes. So we are not going to add water. This is how we are going to cook it, without water. And also, we are going to add a little bit of tin tomatoes. So just wash. We have put the tin tomatoes inside. You just turn it like this. So now you leave it to steam. You let it steam before we put the next things. We want to dry the fish in the oven. Meluza and Titus fish. So let's close it. So now we don't put 1 cube. So we use this cube for it. Pardon again, just a little bit. The chicken, the dried chicken, we're adding it up now. Bear here. Yeah. Yes, you see the bear here. You see how it thick? Now they see them, guys. Now owo be this. Now this one what they call organic. When I mean organic. Now we are putting our fish. We just dry it up a little bit, not that much. But we are going to dry the meluza more. So we are putting the potage, Abby? Yeah. So we have put our potage now. We put our potage. You turn it together when you put your potage. So now we are putting the meluza. So this is what we have. This one are really organic. When I mean organic. Oh yeah, now we are about to put our red oil here. Just watch and see, guys. Then we turn it together. This is how you are going to turn your wool. So I hope you try this in your home, guys. It's very lovely. So this one is the way you take the turn your wool, guys. So now we are peeling the yam. There is noise, oh. We are in holiday, so Mokuna, bear with me. Bear with me, guys. See? We are about to put the yam for parboiling. Ona manivye do ti owo. Ona organic owo. I hope you try this in your home, eh? Try it, it's very nice. You like the way I prepare my owo, eh? You like it, it's so nice, guys. So nice. So now we are going to add salt. Just add a little bit, not that much. Yes, so we cover to cook. How you see them? How not see them, guys? How not the reason? Shade the entire eye now. So now we cover it up to cook for at least normally 15 minutes. It's already you not go reach right. Just look up. The yam is cooking. So now the yam already done. So the jam out. The yam is ready now. You see the owo, guys. Very nice. So subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share my video, guys. Like my video. Turn the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you get it. You get notified, please. I love you guys. You guys are the best. You are amazing. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. See you in my next video, guys. Bye.